Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove home screen pages on iPhone and iPad. To get started, tap and hold an empty part of your iPhone or iPad home screen. Then, select the Pages, pill with dots in it, button from the bottom of the screen. You will now see all the home screen pages laid out. First, tap the checkmark button below the page that you want to delete. This will hide the page. Then, tap the small minus icon in the top left corner of the page. In the pop-up, tap the Remove button to confirm. The home screen, along with all the apps on the page, will disappear. Don't worry, the apps won't be deleted, they'll be available in the app library. Repeat this process for all the home screens that you want to remove. You can remove all but one home screen page. Now, tap the Done button at the top to exit the home screen pages view. Tap the Done button once again to save the home screen layout. You can also swipe up from the home bar or press the home button. And that's it, your clean and lean home screen setup is ready. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. If you do, I will appreciate it. See you in the next video.